Good afternoon, children. Hope all of you enjoying your online teaching. This is part 4 of chapter 3. In this chapter, we perform the following steps to how to start BlueJ and how to write program on BlueJ. First of all, it is a Windows-based platform for Java Development Kit. It is known as JDK, that all of you know. It requires to install JDK 1.3 version of BlueJ. So in your system, all of you install JDK 1.3 version. So when we start programming, you can do program on that system. BlueJ can be freely downloaded from the website, that is www.bluej.org. You can also download from this site. The first are, what are the features of BlueJ? As well as execution process is comparatively easier than Java JDK 1.3. It is based on menu-driven approach. It makes the system easier for the user to work on Windows platform. A sample program is also appear that I show you later on. It easier for the user to work on Windows platform. After compilation, it shows the error if any present in the program. Otherwise, it will display the message no syntax error. The first of all, what are the following steps? The first step, double click on BlueJ icon which is present on your desktop. You make a folder on desktop and create a BlueJ icon. Then click on project option on menu bar of BlueJ Windows. It enable you to create a directory. Then click on, all of you click on project. Then in this window, all of you see the new project. Click on project and select new project from the drop down menu. Enter file name in space provided. Suppose your file name is computer application 1010. You write down your file name. After writing a file name, then all of you go in create and click it here. Then next is, just all of you come in this window. Here, new class. A window appear with the project icon. Click on new class button. Then you write your class name. Suppose your class name is welcome and click on OK. You write it your class name welcome and click on OK. When you click on OK, then you see your welcome class name is created. When it is created, then you click it here. Afterwards, this window will appear. In this window, all of you see one default program that is known as sample program is there. When in this sample program, a sample structure class appear on the screen. Select it. All of you select all the lines and press the cut option or delete option, and this whole program removes. After this, all of you see one sample. After this, just like this sample program is here. In this sample program, this is selected, and after selected, you cut it here and delete it. Then all of you write your program, which the class name is welcome. So first line is, all of you see here, it is a comment line. Then the declaration of class. Then third line is opening of class with curly braces. Then next is, it contains the main function. The execution of the file from the main function. It is known as main function. So first is comment, the second is class created, class name is welcome, then third is opening braces, and fourth is main function. Then next, public. It declares that the file SS has no restriction. Then static is a keyword. Then void, it indicates that main will not return anything. Then string Rs, ARGS stand for argument. Then next, it indicates the starting of main with curly braces open. Then next line, these are only executable statement. Each executable statement, then the last is semicolon. So it terminates the line, it comes on the next statement. After all the statement, then first we close the public, and then it is class, closing braces of class. After writing a program, then we have to compile it. So we go in close button. After closing it, just see there is written no syntax error. When you compile it, it is written no syntax error. Means there is no error. If any error is there, it will show you. Then we remove the error. After that, again, when it comes no syntax error, then we close it. After closing, then how to compile it, children? For compiling, the first is select the icon of class welcome and click on right button. Just remember, click on right button in right button of the mouse. A drop down menu appear. In drop down menu, all of you see void main is written. We go in void main and click it on the drop down menu. A method call window appears on the screen. This is called method call. Go in OK and click it there. When you click on this, then desired program output will be appear. So this is known as output. So this is a way how to create a BlueJ and how you are going to write a class and compile it. In this topic, I have given you assignment. You will complete the assignment, and from the next turn, we will start with the small programs related BlueJ. Okay, children, God bless you.